Texas until 3 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Denton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This tornado may be wrapped in rain and difficult to see. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near crossroads around 2:40 p.m. Collision around 2:45 p.m. Hampton and Roberts Park, Kyle B. Bois around 2:50 p.m. Aubrey around 2:55 p.m. Pilot Point around 3 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Elk Point and Lincoln Park. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35 west near mile marker 85. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 462 and 466. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.